All right. Did a little bit of work today on a gift that you guys got us. So I'm going to show you what I did here. So there's obviously my TV stereo. And then this cabinet, it's kind of dark, but this cabinet has a unique drawer that pops out and opens up. So you can see that. So I just installed that, got everything installed. And I was reading here, it looks like there's a, take this guy off and this open. And what I've got is the AC/DC. Again, that was my first record. This actually was my first record, so I'm going to open this guy up and we're gonna see if I got everything installed right, and we'll go from there and see how if I got it installed right, if it'll work. All right, AC/DC. Oh yeah, I forgot they did that. Had an inner case. Okay. All right, that's the record. Don't have to touch anything. All right. Lift this guy up, turn that on. All right, and I've got it tuned into CD because that was the one I could get to. So CD, change to CD. All right, that's on. And very excited here. Turn it on. Okay. Oh, okay. When you move this handle, the record starts. Oh, okay. I gotcha. And then get it kind of positioned and then drop it down. All right. Let's just see. Very excited. Is anything happening? Oh, no. Oh, it is. It's playing. Nice. Okay. Nice. Is it playing up top? Yeah, it is. Nice. Wow, awesome. So it's coming out of the stereo, the surround sound speakers. Yeah, it's coming out of all the speakers. That's awesome. That's awesome. So it's working. Awesome, guys. Thanks so much. I'm gonna play with this a little bit more, but it was a success. Got it hooked up first time.